Well, so now we have Begum Bebo. Well, the alliteration is really good, isn't it? Begum Bebo. Anyway, so we have Kareena Kapoor in conversation with my colleague Sabah Kazi at the launch of a new ad campaign that she has endorsed. So what do we really have her talking about? Well, of course, the fact that marriage will not come in a way of a career. She'll march on and march on and march on with all the grace associated with the Begums. Take a look.
The last time we spotted her in Delhi, she was very busy getting married, and here I am standing with Mrs. Kareena Kapoor Khan. Hi, welcome to Headlines today. Good to see you in Delhi back, and what for if you could tell us this time?
Well, I'm here to do a meet and greet for one of the popular beverages that I endorse, which is Limca, and they've started a new campaign called Pyas Padhao, which I very definitely and sternly kind of identify with. So it's nice to be back here. I love Delhi and I'm happy, but we've had a long journey here because we had this big disaster in Chandigarh where we couldn't take off, and that's why the media has been waiting since yesterday. But there's nothing, sometimes, it's all in nature's hand. It's all, you can't really plan anything. Everything was going really smoothly and then bam, something happened.
Where you can't blame the celebrity. Oh, she's late again.
Absolutely not. I mean, I wish I was here in Delhi yesterday. It would have been so much more easy and comfortable. We would have all been so much more relaxed,
So, Kareena, you've been a workaholic, got married, got back to work. When are you taking some time off?
I mean, I'm constantly taking time off, I mean, this is what I'm doing on my time off. I mean, it's not like I'm always doing that. I mean, if I'm working 1 month, 2 months, and then I'm traveling a couple of days. We take off and go off on holiday. So it's not like, we have to technically take some time off.
Yeah. So while you keep talking about how smiles can be deceiving in the song in Talash, in real life, how often do you spot the smile and without thinking that, oh, it could deceive someone here?
Well, I think actors most of the time are doing that because so many times when you're like, tired or exhausted or annoyed and still you have to kind of put up a brave front. I think actors are better, actors off camera than on camera because we're constantly on our toes. So that's more interesting.
Okay, Kareena, one quick question. Films on hand, there's the Fevicol song. So much to look forward to when it comes to Kareena Kapoor. Give us a little brief of all that's on your platter right now.
Well, I mean, I've always wanted to, my work and my acting career has always been more passionate to me. It's the most passionate thing in my life. And I've always maintained that has nothing to do with my personal life, because I'm two separate people when I'm with Saif. And the actress Kareena is a different girl altogether. So I would like my fans to always know me as, the actress who's hardworking and very, very dedicated to her career. And I shall continue to do so.
And one last question. Tell us a little bit about the Fevicol song that we're looking forward to see on air soon.
I think the promo should start in the first week of December. And I saw the song and I'm very happy. I think Farah's done a great job. I mean, she is the best choreographer in our country today. And the song wouldn't have been the same without her.
So a notch higher than Halkat Jawani?
Halkat Jawani was, yes, it was definitely different. This is more massy. I think the Dilliwalas will definitely love it.
Thank you so much and all the best. You look fab, Mrs. Khan. In Delhi with camera person Himanshu Sharma, I'm Sabah Kazi for Headlines Today.
And well, we had leading lights from Bollywood reacting to the news of Ajmal Kasab's hanging in Pune's